So in this program, you will be getting mentorship from people who are working as software engineers at LinkedIn. Plus, you get a chance to interview at LinkedIn for internship as well as full-time roles. So this particular opportunity is known as LinkedIn CoachIn, and it has been announced for 2025. If you are a female undergraduate engineering student, then you are eligible for the same, and you should be passing out in 2027. So second year female undergraduate students are eligible for the same. Maybe if you are from first year, you are watching this right now, make sure you apply for this opportunity next year, or if you're a senior watching this, do share it with your juniors. Now let's move on to the video. We'll discuss about how you should prepare, what all things are necessary, and how can you ace this opportunity. What we'll be talking about, the program, eligibility, application process, online assessment, coaching experience, and you should apply or not. So these are the things that we are going to talk about. But also before that, if you have already subscribed to this channel, if you're watching these videos, there's a last video on 6 companies 30 days challenge. It is still live. You can participate throughout January. More than 5,000 students have already participated. So make sure you do register for the same. So what's the eligibility criteria? When I call about eligibility criteria, you should be second year pass out 2027 and a female engineering student. All colleges and universities throughout India are eligible. You can be from any college, be it an IIT, NIT, triple IIT or any tier 2 tier 3 college. You are eligible, and you should have a CGPA of 7 and above. So this is the criteria for eligibility. Then talking about application process, so there's a form for which the link I'll attach in the description below. You need to fill that form. In that particular form, they'll ask you about all your details that are relevant, be it your college, current year of graduation. Make sure you fill that correctly so that you receive the test link. They'll also ask for a LinkedIn profile. So your LinkedIn profile should be very, very updated. So this is a criteria for shortlisting for LinkedIn, for internships also, for coaching also, they might be using the same. Right, so make sure your LinkedIn profile is updated. You can check out LinkedIn profile of various folks. You can check out my LinkedIn profile. I'll provide the link in the description below again. But make sure it is updated with your projects, with your resume, with your extracurricular activities, with whatever you have done. So make sure you update your LinkedIn before filling this application form. If shortlisted, you will receive a test link. You should have a CGPA cutoff, that's 7 CGPA and above. Next is the online assessment. Once you're done with this, you will receive an online assessment, and that online assessment will be a 3 DSA problems conducted on generally HackerRank. So you'll be asked 3 DSA problems, 1 essay type questions. What are DSA? Well, the DSA, you all might be having a subject in your college, and as you're a second year student, so they won't expect you to know advanced DSA concepts. So majorly, if your fundamentals are strong, you'll be able to ace this round. Easy, medium, lead code questions are asked from topics like mathematics, arrays, strings, vectors, stacks, queues, hash maps, trees, right? Maybe a few DFS or BFS of graphs. So that's the max they can go. They don't go and ask you very tough questions. But yes, at the same time, if the competition is very high, you might get a little bit advanced questions. But still, if your fundamentals are good, so this has been the experience for the past 2-3 years. If your fundamentals are good, you can definitely look out for this opportunity. 1 essay type question, that's generally around why do you want to participate in LinkedIn coaching program? How has been your computer science journey? When did you start with the computer science journey? And it should be 250 to 300 words. So you should prepare for it beforehand, because question would be somehow similar to this only, like your personal achievements, why you want to join this program, and it should be very convincing, right? This question is also very important. It's not just that you solve the question and you just write anything. Writing in that question, your goal, your idea should be very, very clear to them. So make sure that essay type question has equal weightage or value. After that, you are shortlisted. Make sure, like, competition is very high. Almost everyone is going to apply. This video gets 10,000 views. So just imagine 4,000, 5,000 of you would apply, right? So that's a big competition. So you should have all questions done. Try to see if you can clear all these 3 questions with all the test cases passed and a good essay type questions. You have better chances of getting a test link. Telephonic round. After that, you will be having a simple telephonic round, 15 to 20 minutes round, where the recruiter will talk to you about your resume, why you want to be a part of this program, how has been your tech journey, like what impact do you want to create in life, or you want to create in computer science or tech. So that's the round. It would be resume discussion, majorly projects and your intent for the program. 15 to 20 minutes, sweet spot, nothing tough, right? You should be more receptive. You should try to listen rather than speak a lot of things in front of the interviewer. So try to listen carefully, then only answer whatever he or she is saying. So this is a very, very important thing for a round like this, right? Because that's the kind of feedback that they provide. Next is program structure. Once you're selected, then there's a program of 4 months, where you will be provided this mentorship by a software engineer at LinkedIn. You will be combined with you'll be mentored by a software engineer who is working at LinkedIn. and they will be helping you with various things that are required for becoming a software engineer, be it DSA, interview prep, and other things, right? So there'll be multiple rounds of mock tests as well as mock interviews with those folks. That will help you understand what is your current preparation, how you can prepare better, your feedback and everything. And based upon that, your mentor will only give feedback whether you should be given a chance to interview at LinkedIn. So LinkedIn will be giving you a chance to interview at LinkedIn for the internship position, and that's a great opportunity. LinkedIn is a subsidiary of Microsoft. So the kind of work culture, the kind of perks, the kind of things that you receive at a company like Microsoft, same as the work culture at LinkedIn. So I've heard very good things about work culture at LinkedIn. A few of my friends work at LinkedIn, so the overall work culture and everything at LinkedIn is great. Should you participate? If you're a second year student, majorly you would be thinking, yeah, I'm not very confident, I don't have good skills in DSA, should I apply or not? But this is a great chance. I would definitely recommend, even if you feel that you're 10%, 20% confident, you should go ahead and apply. This is a great opportunity and you might be lucky this time. So not applying means ki you have zero chances of getting selected. You are applying, at least you have 10% chances of getting there. If you get lucky, you have, like, that's 100%, right? So definitely go ahead and apply. Great opportunity. The level is not very tough to crack. It's just that you need that presence of mind on that day, and still you have, I would say, a good number of days to prepare, right? So you can just simply go ahead and do EARTH's DSA sheet. I'll provide the link in the description. Your online assessment is going to be sorted. If you'll do easy and medium questions from that sheet, right, that's a set of 280 questions, updated very frequently based upon what all these companies have been asking. So I've been in touch with a lot of folks, so maybe you can check that list out. It's available in the description again. So I'll mark it as EARTH's DSA sheet, so you can solve DSA problems from that sheet. If you'll solve easy and medium problems over the course of next 20-30 days, when your test would be there, right, it's not going to be very immediately, so you will be very confident in that DSA test. So make sure you do that sheet as well. That was it for this particular video. If you need any more help, let me know in the comments below. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you do participate in 6 Companies 30 Days Challenge also, and do subscribe to this channel if you are new. A lot of other opportunities are going to come this year, and a lot of videos are going to be very, very helpful for you. Thank you so much.